If you've never had bacon jam before, get ready for a party in your mouth. This sweet and savory jam is packed with flavor, perfect over a griddled burger or alongside some scrambled eggs, maybe on top of a biscuit or toast. The possibilities are endless, and I know you guys are gonna love just how tasty this one is. It's so simple and so fast and going to become one of your favorites. Let me show you how. Bacon jam is one of those things that I love to keep on hand. Make a batch of it. It stores in the refrigerator for about 2 to 4 weeks. I love using a copycat recipe from the one and only Gordon Ramsay. This one is tried and true. We're going to make this right on our Blackstone griddle using our deep cast iron pan. We start off with 1 pound of bacon. We're going to slice this up or chop it up into bite-sized pieces and then get that rocking in our cast iron skillet and allow this to render out a lot of its fat nice and low and slow until it's nice and crispy. Then we'll remove our bacon, set that aside for a second, and remove some of that bacon grease. You can reserve that, save that. You don't want to get rid of that. Cook your eggs in it, but leave some of that behind. This way we can add to that our diced up onions. I've diced up about 2 cups of sweet Vidalia onion. We'll allow these to cook down nice and low and slow again. As they soak up all of that bacon grease, we're going to season them with a pinch of red pepper flakes and some garlic powder. Once our onions are softened and translucent, to that we're going to add some brown sugar. Give that a mix and let that brown sugar begin to melt down throughout all of those onions, and then we'll add our bacon back into the party, which I didn't hit the record button. I thought I was recording, but I missed the shot of adding that crispy bacon back into the party, but it's in there now, and we're gonna mix it up. To that we're adding some apple cider vinegar along with some pure maple syrup, and we're gonna add some fresh brewed coffee. Mix this all together, and now you get to sit back, relax. As this cooks down, it's going to thicken into our jam. So you'll wanna make sure that you do give this a mix every 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure everything is just cooking along gently. Once it's nice and thick and it sticks to the back of our spatula, we're gonna remove this, allow it to cool, and then simply just put it into a glass jar. This will stay in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. There's so many different things that I love adding this to, whether it's just simply some toast or over some biscuits. It's great alongside or on top of scrambled eggs, but one of my favorites has to be a griddled cheeseburger, a big fat beefy burger, which one of my favorites is Schweid & Sons. The combination of the bacon jam, a beefy burger, and Cooper Sharp American cheese, my absolute favorite cheese. Now these Schweid & Son burgers are gonna cook on our griddle in that reserved bacon grease that we took out of our pan, seasoning them up well with the Blackstone Outlaw barbecue seasoning. We'll give these a flip. I love how perfect and plump these are as they cook on the griddle. Over the top with some of our Cooper Sharp cheese to melt down. We'll let our brioche buns toast right in that bacon grease as well. And now it's time to top off these burgers with our sweet and savory bacon jam. I like to pile it high and allow myself to get lost in this burger. I just love these flavors, and I really think you guys are gonna love the bacon jam at home. So if you make it, be sure to post a picture and let me see. I can't wait to see how you use it, whether you use it on a burger or with your eggs or whatever else, a griddled cheese sandwich and some bacon jam. It's heavenly. Be sure to let me know what you think down below in the comments. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to bring you another family style favorite recipe in the next video.